I'm Emma Jones, I'm the local area coordinator for this area, which is Skewin, Longford, Neath Abbey, Llandasi. And we run a lot of projects trying to enable people to come out, meet people, and then improve their health and well-being. I met with Karen to discuss opportunities from the economic development team. And luckily for us, we were able to work together on this project, which is for Skewin Men's Shed. So I contacted Karen and we had a discussion about opportunities for the Men's Shed project and the Sensory Garden project. Morganstone were working in Crymlyn boroughs at the time, and we were able to link with the team from there and develop this brilliant project that's been going on now a good few months, which has seen the positive benefits for men's health. Jen from Morganstone was able to come and meet with us on site, whereas we wanted to fund the Sensory Garden, which she did, which was materials and tools and everything. She saw that the container that the men were using was falling apart and was able to work on the fact that she's bought us a brand new container, which has made a massive difference because the old container was falling apart and full of rust. This now has made it a long-term plans, achievable.
In order to bring around the community engagement that we were doing for the Crymlyn Boroughs project. Crymlyn Boroughs was originally a black bag facility that needed complete renovation and upgrading to make it a complete recycling facility. So as part of our community benefit strategy, we put back into the community 0.25% of the contract value, and that's down in our contract with Neath Port Talbot Council for this particular development. It's been fantastic liaising with Karen, who's very like-minded on what we can do in the community and how best we can impact it, as well as Neath Port Talbot Council. They've been a great client to work with, and Anne-Marie for donating her time, because it did take quite a little bit of time, bless, especially with the weather that we've been having. So it's been fantastic to work on.
I look after the men's group. Basically, we're just a volunteer group, mainly older men who just come along and have a cup of coffee and a chat. We've done a fair bit of work. We've put in the sensory area. We put in a new fence at the back here. We built the planters. When the offer of a new container came along, fab, great. And to be fair, it is superb. It's watertight, it's solid.
We do appreciate all the help that we've had. Neath Port Talbot Council, through Emma Jones, the area coordinator, Morganstone, through the artist Anne-Marie, and the community benefits officer.
This project has been amazing to work on, linking everybody together, the partnership working. This is a prime example of how community benefits has really, really benefited the community. It's great.